Nah.
Like Lucy is like, I want more joy in my life, and yours was realign. Mine's play more golf. Laura. Something really cool about Matariki is that it gives us this opportunity to plan for the future. Matariki Manako Nui.
So we want to know, what are your intentions going into the Māori New Year?
Yeah, I think for me, I'm using it as an opportunity to just take stock of my life, especially being a mama and a partner. I think it's a really good opportunity for me to kind of look at my values and see if I'm still aligned with them, and if not, realign. What can I do to realign with those values? This is the real new year for us in Aotearoa, so to be able to connect like this time of reframing and rethinking, but also it aligns with the seasons. It makes me really excited to feel that we have this opportunity, especially not being Māori, to connect into like, yeah, just the mātauranga of this culture and be able to, yeah, like use that in my own context as well. Really grateful. This year for Matariki, we are preparing for the future by taking stock of our values and realigning with them.
Oh yeah, nice one!